Hey guys, Reptile Hunter here, and today I'm going to show you some new drawings, starting with Frisk, which is a cheetah. My dad says it looks like a hyena, which it kind of does. Next up is this. It's what Wolf, this is for our roleplay actually, so you might want to watch this. Anti is going to change into something that looks like this, because what is my snake doing? Sec. What are you doing, crazy? Snake. Okay. Anti is going to change into this, but everything that's brown is actually going to be, no, everything's going to be this color basically. Except for around the eye is going to be green, and that's going to be green. Stripes are going to have a greenish tint to them. Okay? So yeah, this is Saber. Baby saber-tooth tiger. Yeah. This is also for our roleplay Wolf, and our roleplay for Foxy. My Foxy roleplay. I roleplay with Foxy and Wolf. So, yeah. This one's Jack. He's also going to turn soon. If Wolf hadn't left, she would have already seen it. But wait, she's playing with her friend. Never mind. My freaking snake's crazy. Yeah. This is what his head looks like. This is what his... One sec! Whole body looks like. Yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys. Reptile Hunter.